Hello everyone, welcome back to the another session in series of learning PPS programs. This is the other program, and this program is what? Write a C program that implements a simple calculator program using arithmetic operators and using switch statement. Now, let's see about this program. So, I'm just taking header file, standard header file and main function. Now, so what I wanted to perform arithmetic operations, and this arithmetic operations I should not perform all at a time. Earlier we were seeing a program without switch case, and there we were taken two variables and we executed addition operation, subtraction operation, multiplication, division, all at a time we displayed. This program is not that. This program is what? We'll select one among it and we'll do that operation. For that purpose I am using switch case. Switch case is what? Multi-way selection statement. So we'll write multiple selection statements, but we choose one among it. Now let's see how we'll demonstrate this program. I'm just taking one character. This is what? Operator. The possible inputs of this operator is what? To perform arithmetic operations. Plus, minus, multiplication, division. These are what? Operators I wanted to perform. And I'm taking three operands. A and B are input operands. Result, RES is my output operand. So input operands will give the value through scanf. Result is what? My output value. Now let's see. So printf, all these statements will help us to know what kind of operation we were performing associated with what kind of operator. Now this all will for display purpose. This is optional. If you give, if you don't give, it doesn't matter. All these for our reference. Right? So after this 5 printfs, now your program logic will start from this statement. Printf enter operator. We'll just erase. Now look at this. Now I wanted to perform addition operation. So I'm just taking the input variables. I'm just taking the input variables which are A comma B. Okay. So what are A comma B? Now let's see. Printf enter operator, scanf percentile C address of CH. So this character, it may be a plus, it may be minus, it may be slash percentile. This is for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo. And now let's see that I wanted to take two operands, as I said. Here we explained, right? Two operands and one output variable. So these two operands are what? These are what? Integer I declared. So I'm just taking 2 percentile Ds. So and now the logic will start. The logic is what? Now the logic is what? I'm just using switch case. Switch case syntax, you can see the other video in the same channel. So switch case syntax is what? We'll write switch and some expression. In the place of expression, we'll write even a constant value or a variable value. Now here I'm just passing the input value. Whatever CH value we were entered in the previous scanf statement, that value we will be entering. It may be plus, minus, asterisk, slash, percentile. Other than if any other character, if you are entering, let's say if you are entering at the rate, this is also a character. Space is also a character. Enter button is also a character. Other than this 5, if you enter something that then we will execute this default case. Default case is what? Printf incorrect operator. So this is what it will get display. When it will display, other than these, if you enter anything. Okay, now let's see that the first case is what we were writing as case plus. As it is a character, I am just writing here in single quotes, case plus result is equal to a plus b. So I told you about this result value, that it should be output variable. A plus b are what? Input variables. So anyhow, this input we were entered through scanf, so the values will be substituted here or fetched from the memory. A value, let's see that in the place of scanf I might have given 10, 9, 5. Now here, what the values you can see here? So 10 and 5 you can see over here. So that values you will be giving, right? 10, 9, 5. Now let's see, I have given 10 and 5. So 10 plus 5 answer will be 15. So just see this out input. 6 plus 4 I have given. Now, so when I have given a value as 6, now let's take 6 and 4, answer will be 10. So here the same case, AB values would be same for all these operations. Now this case 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. This case 6 into 4 equal to 24. This case 6 by 4 is equal to 1. When you have a lesser number, so that after that decimal point, whatever value you will see, that value will get terminated, because the result variable has given in the integer part. And here, so here the output is what we'll get as 2. So this is what the switch case program, how we will execute. Now how we'll write the source code. Now we'll see about execution part. So just we'll execute the same program in online GDB. Now I have taken the same program. So int main, sorry, I have given here 2 times. So ignore that hash include stdio.h. It is written for 2 times. Now look at the same program we were used here. Char ch int ab result. Now the same code I have used here, the code what I have explained. Now let's see the same output we'll get or not. So when I take 6 plus 4, 6 4 as my input variables, first plus operation should give me 10 value. 6 minus 4 should give me 2 value. Let's check with the output. I'm just running this program. I'm just going for run. So here, this is what the usefulness of this printf statement. I told you, right? So here we were taken all the printf statement. It is for our reference. Now this is what the display. It is what your calculator. What is your calculator saying? So plus is for addition, minus for subtraction, into for multiplication, slash for division, percentile for remainder. So now what user can do? User can enter any kind of operator what are showing on the top. I'm just entering the plus operator. Let's see, equal plus operator, and click on enter button. So it is asking for 2 operands. Now I'm entering as 6 and 4. Now look at the result. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So it is not giving me subtraction, division and something. The reason why it will not give is whatever ch value I have given, what value I have given, plus value I have given. So when I have given plus over here, it will be matched with all the cases what I have wrote. Now case plus will be matched to first case. Hence I can see first printf as my result. And if I wanted to go for minus, then I'll give here minus. So it will start matching with case plus. It will not match. Case minus, yet it matches. Then the answer of case minus, the printf statement will get executed. The reason to write break is what? It stops the current flow of execution. When I'm going for plus, let's suppose I'm explaining you now about break statement. So if I don't write here break, what happens? No, all the cases will get executed continuously. If operator is plus, then it executes plus. Once after it matches, then it go for minus, into, slash, percentile. Everything will get executed. Let's say that operator is into, then the which case will get executed? Third case will get executed. So after third case executed, it has to be stopped. But the reason I do not write break, it will go on to execute the rest of cases. That's the reason break is very important. Break will stop the current flow of execution. That's the reason we'll get the output for particular case. So this is about simple arithmetic operations or simple calculator to perform arithmetic operations using switch case statement. Thank you all.